Hi, this is Chris Parent with LearnWebLogicOnline.com, and thank you for checking out my Oracle WebLogic for Administrators course on Udemy. I'm calling this the full course because I have a free course on Udemy that goes over the WebLogic product at a very high level and walks through doing a very basic installation. This course is designed to walk through several different topics in pretty good depth and also includes several different lab exercises. So my full course on WebLogic is going to walk through a ton of different topics as they relate to WebLogic administration. We're going to discuss managed servers, the admin server, machines, high availability, clusters, security providers, how to deploy applications, Java Messaging Service or JMS, remote deployment for scaling out your environment, and several other topics. So this is going to be a very exciting course. It will get your feet wet, more than wet. You'll be up to your waist, hopefully, in WebLogic by the time you're done with this course. This course is mainly designed for administrators, but honestly, developers can take this course too. They will learn a lot. Even architects. I don't have that on here, but I'm an architect at heart, and this is a very helpful course to help architects understand the technology aspect of WebLogic. But primarily, this course is geared towards administrators. You will learn how to install, deploy, maintain WebLogic. So there aren't really any prerequisites for this course. However, this course is not going to cover the WebLogic product, specifically its feature sets, what it is, what it can do, and where it fits within Oracle Fusion Middleware. I cover those topics in my free course called Beginning Oracle WebLogic for Administrators. So go check that out. It will give you an overview of some WebLogic concepts such as what's a domain, what's an admin server. It's a quick and dirty course to get you up to speed really quick on terminology. So for this course, you're going to need a computer, obviously, one capable of running WebLogic, multiple instances of WebLogic actually. We're going to install WebLogic, create a domain, and by the end of this course, you're going to have several WebLogic servers running on your computer. So at a minimum, I would say memory is more important than CPU. I would say at least 4 gigs, preferably 6 to 8 of RAM, and 3 gigabytes of storage space. You're also going to need Java Development Kit. For this course, we are using the latest JDK 7, and you're going to need the WebLogic 12c installer, specifically the generic installer. The lab guide that accompanies this course will contain references to downloading JDK 7 and WebLogic 12c. Again, thank you very much for purchasing this course. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.